Hey y'all, it's Trista with Tried and True by Trista. Today we are making lantern tile ornaments with glitter on them. And this is a super simple craft that you can make for the holidays. You start with a sheet of mosaic tiles. You can get these from Home Depot or Lowe's. These are from Home Depot and they are the medium size. Get some spray Rust-Oleum or whatever brand you want, spray paint, and just go ahead and spray them outside. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. I actually did a couple of coats with this, so I covered them all really well the first time, and then I went back and sprayed them again because, as you can see, they're a little bit splotchy when you spray it, and the glitter is actually really thick. It turns out really nicely, but you do need a couple of coats for that. After that, I recommend, you can see it's dries beautifully and it looks just like glitter, and it's so much less mess than glitter. You definitely want to put Mod Podge on it to kind of seal it because it's going to be a little bit rough. And so I'm going to show you, this is a decal that I cut out with my silhouette. You could use just store-bought stickers. You don't have to use vinyl if you don't have a personal cutting machine. I personally did this. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it to stick. What you could do ahead of time is spray the whole ornament with an adhesive spray. That would help it grab the vinyl a little bit better. Lastly, after you get your vinyl down on there, you want to make sure it doesn't lift off. So I would coat the whole thing in Mod Podge. You could do one coat. You could probably do 2 coats. I only did 1. Here it is with just some chipboard stickers. So I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure and subscribe so you can catch all of my videos on lantern tiles.